Hi everyone, it's Sandy and thank you for joining me here on my channel. I've got a project to share with you all in this video, and I had so much fun making this really fun project. So I am a part of the design team for COCO and RENO for the next 6 months. So thank you so much, COCO and RENO, for allowing me to be part of your team to make some fun projects using your monthly dies. I will put the details down below for their dies and what you need to do and all the information on how you can subscribe with COCO and RENO for their monthly dies as well. They also have an Instagram account, and I'll also put the details the link for you if you want to head over to their Instagram and have a look at all of their projects from all their design team. Their dies are really great quality, they cut really well, and you do get quite a few pieces in the pack as well when you receive them. So this is the September monthly subscription kit. If I'm not wrong, it's the September one for this year, and this is the Halloween theme dies. Really great, and they're a fantastic size. I'm just going to show you first the dies that you get and then the projects that I've made with them. So you get these pieces here. This is a lovely packaging too. That's how you get it, and you get it in a lovely pouch as well when you receive it. And these are some of the dies. Really pretty and very detailed as well. And then these are the other pieces you get as well. You get the spider web that says Halloween, and a few of the animal critters, I think you'd call it that, and these other ones as well. Great size and really fun to make with for Halloween. So I'm going to show you some of the projects that I've made with their dies. I made these file folders using my We Are Memory Keepers gift bag punch board to make the pocket, and this is the embellished front of the folder. I used their word die that says Halloween, which is this one, and I just ran it through the machine twice to give me the extra letters. And then that's one of the dies, which is this one here. And then I embellished it with my word sentiment that says spooky. And this is the other one with all the little cute ghost. This is a glitter foam that I ran through my machine, and they're the little cute the ghost die, and that's the inside, and that's the bat and the moon. So they're two of my file folder projects that I've made. And then I had a go at making some crepe rosettes for my first attempt. I've seen a lot of people on Instagram and on YouTube make these crepe paper rosettes, and I thought I'd give it a go. They're not perfect, but I think imperfect crepe paper rosettes, I think they still look really fun on your project. So I think I did an okay job making them. So I made these. I'm just going to have a look at something. I made these ones with my black crepe paper and just made some embellishments, and then I could use these on my projects. And then I adhered the embellishments with these glue dots. The box is all a bit damaged, but these are the glue dots that I use. They are fantastic glue, I tell you. They're like little glue dots, and you just stick your embellishment onto the glue dot and then place it onto your projects. And they adhere really well, and they are mess free. So that's one of them. This is the other one. This is a pumpkin sequence that I had in my stash. And then where was the other one? That's this one here with the little spider. And these are my word sentiments as well. So they're the little crepe paper rosettes that I made in the black and white theme. And then I made these cute little 3x3 pockets, and I made these with my 6x6 paper cardstock. I've got plain cardstock that a 6x6, and I made two of these pockets out of the one 6x6, and then I embossed it with my embossing folder to give these dots. And this one here is this one here. That's that die, and then I made it like into a shaker with some sequins and one of the spider shaped dies. And then I've just placed a wood peg, and there's some pom-poms, little pom-poms in there. And that would be a great way to add to Happy Mail as a little gift, or just to add to some fun packaging for your recipient. And this is another one that I made. This one here is the this one here, and I used some silver cardstock to place on the pocket, and then I just had a flower rosette, oh sorry, a flower, paper flower from my stash. And these are just some pumpkin sequins. I did get these from Daiso. They were in a little container, little pumpkin sequins. And this is just one of my flower resin embellishment paper clip. So that goes in there. And I think this is a really cute little way to package Happy Mail. And I then made a Matchbox crepe box for a fun way also to give these to your kids or your kids' friends when they come around for Halloween, and you can add all your treats inside the box. And I think this is one of my favourite dies. I really like this spider web die that says Halloween. And then I've just layered that with one of their other dies, and that's this one here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's the orange one down below there. And I had some sequins, and then I just stacked it with some spiders, one of my worst sentiments. And on the inside of the box, when you're or your kids or whoever you want to send your favourite treat box to, there'll be heaps. I've put these goodies in there. I've got in here a Chuppa Chomp, and I've got a eyeball bouncy ball, and I think I'm going to give this to my little nephew. I think he'll love like this. And these are just some little novelty toys. I think they're like little rings with a bat and skull. There's a fly and a spider. So I've got them in there, and I just cut up some orange crepe paper just to put a little bit of stuffing in the box. And there is a peanut butter chocolate pack. And then I've also made a little note card that I embellished, and it says riddles for giggles. And then I just went on Google to find some quick little fun jokes for the kids to read to their friends, and I'll read you a couple. I thought they were really funny. You may have already heard some of these jokes, but I thought they were funny because I've never read them before. I'll give you one. The question is, what room do ghosts avoid? And the answer is the living room. And I'll do one more. I think they're really funny. Which part of the road do ghosts love to travel the most? The dead end. Anyway, so I think that's a fun way as well to add a little riddle card for your kids, and they can share that with their friends. And yes, so I thought this was a really fun little treat box, made like into a matchbox style, and I had fun making that. And this box here measured 2.5 inches by 4 inches, and the depth of the box was 1 inch. And so I just thought I'd share with you guys this really fun project that I've made using COCO and Reno's Halloween die set. I do hope you enjoyed my project share, and I hope it inspires you to create some Halloween projects, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.